Hello and welcome to this video presentation from MindSteam Software. Today we're going to show you MindGrammer Pro. MindGrammer Pro is an English grammar checker for InDesign, and it also supports package and pre-flight, so pre-flight rules and pre-flight reports. So first, everyone I think is familiar with the dynamic speller in InDesign, and here we have a text frame with dynamic spelling on. And you can see that at this point there are no errors being reported. However, there are errors in this text. So let's go and activate MindGrammer. So we're going to enable the dynamic grammar checker here for MindGrammer. And here is the preferences panel that allow you to set a number of options there. And now you can see that these errors have been activated. So basically you see a grammar here, and that there is, you can right click and there's a description of the error. You can ignore the error, or you can replace it with this optional suggestion. So that's great. So here we've identified 6 grammar errors, but how do you know that your document contains errors? Let's say you can't see the underline. Well, that's where the pre-flight rules come in. So we're going to go to the pre-flight panel and define some profiles. In this case, we have predefined one for MindGrammer Pro. We'll go to that definition, and here you can see, because I can activate that here. There's just one rule for grammar errors. Click OK, and now we want to turn that rule on. So you'll see down here in the bottom where I move the mouse that there's no errors in this document. But if I activate the panel, or the rule here, you'll see that there are now 6 errors in this category. So MindGrammer Pro is reporting 6 errors. I click on the pour down triangle, and again, and then I see a list of the errors here. So basically, in this one, I can select the period, and here's a description of it. Just grammar error found, and what to do about it. I can click. Well, let's go to this one here, the one I showed earlier. I can then click on the page, and it will select the error, and it'll jump to that in the document. So I can go here, let's correct it, and there you go. Now I just have 5 more errors after inserting the correction. The next item I want to show is that you can create a error report. So this I think is really handy if you want to process a lot of documents at one time. Basically open it and generate an error report. It is scriptable, so you can do this with scripting. So here we go, save report. We're going to call it, we'll call it Grammar Pre-Flight Report. And it's now generating a PDF file, and here it is. So you see that there's, again, 5 errors. And it gives a detailed description of each error, what page they occurred on. So I think it's a really useful tool. We're going to jump back here, and again, once you can select here, this checks articles, so it should be and do a correction here. And so thanks very much. That is our video for MindGrammer Pro. You can find out more about it at mindsteam.com. Thanks very much.